What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today is the announcement of the GoPro Motovlog giveaway. So obviously the giveaway is finished, and what I'm going to do is pick the winner and let everybody know who's won. So basically, I don't pick the winner. The website that deals with the whole thing picks the winner. So what I'm going to do is click select winner and we'll find out who it is. Before I do that though, I just want to thank everybody who's entered. We've gotten up to just over 500 subscribers, so that's amazing. Thanks to everyone who's participated, and good luck everyone. So now I'm going to put the camera in front of the computer screen because I don't know how to record the screen on the computer. So hopefully you guys will be able to see it on that. So as you can see here, total entries were 1,599. So that's just here. So that was pretty good. So, all right, so now I'm going to select a winner. So, all right, so as you can see here, one winner unpicked. So I don't know who's won yet. So now we're going to draw the winner. Now that I've selected that, we got one winner out of 276 potential users that can win. Let's find out who it is. We have Muhammed Rahees C from Thrissur, India. So congratulations to Muhammad. I will be contacting him shortly to let him know he's won. Okay, so obviously what's going to happen is I will email Muhammad and let him know he's won. And I'll let all you guys know, obviously with this YouTube channel. I'll also post it up on Facebook and Instagram. Once again, I want to thank everybody for getting me up to 500 subscribers. It means a lot. And I really do hope all of you guys stick around, because although I haven't made any videos for the past couple of weeks, for those who've seen on my Instagram, I did get my exhaust. I have made videos putting that on, unboxing and all this stuff, and they are coming in the next few days. So I really hope you guys stick around to see those and stick around for further giveaways. I'm not sure what they'll be yet, but there'll be something. Also, as you can see, I've got some merch now. I haven't officially released the merch just yet. It'll be a couple more months, but if you guys are interested in the hoodies or the t-shirts you'll see in the next video. But if you guys are interested, send me a direct message on Instagram, let me know, and I'll try and sort something out for you. But the official release will be in a few months, so stick around for that. Anyway, that'll be it for today. Thanks again, everybody, and especially thank you to Moto Mounts who helped out with the giveaway, and make sure you guys show them some love. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for participating. Congratulations to Muhammad. I'll be getting the GoPro out to you in the next few days. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.